Welcome to the AI Generation channel.
We all know such a format as shorts and reels that are used to promote products or create monetized content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Many channels gain millions of views and earn good money from it. In this video, I will show you how to create monetized content without video shooting with an income of about $500 a day. It takes only 2 steps: creating a content and creating a video. I will make 200 of the same shorts with interesting and emotional content in just 20 minutes. Links to these tools can be found in the description below. So watch it to the end and let's already make artificial intelligence work for us. Step 1. Create a content. I will create shorts onto topics: love and relationships, facts, and human body. Ask ChatGPT to create 5 facts you need. They should be divided into 2 parts to create some intrigue in the video. This will encourage the viewer to watch the video to the end, which will have a very good effect on the channel statistics, and your videos will be shown more and more often. Then we need to create a certain structure for quotes so that each quote consists of 3 lines: the subject of the quote, the first part, and the second part. Sometimes the ChatGPT may misunderstand you or the result may not satisfy you. It's okay, you just need to rephrase the request and preferably add a good example, so that chatbot understands. Be sure to praise him if you like the result. Then he will understand that he is moving in the right direction and will record this progress. Next, we will convert this to a tabular format for further convenience when transferring data. And as a result, we get a neat table with 5 facts about love and relationships. The hardest part is over. It remains to ask chatbot to generate 100 such quotes on this topic. However, this service has a limit on the length of one answer, and I just asked him generate 25 facts for times. In a few minutes, I got 100 unique facts about love and relationships. Great! Then I just asked the chatbot to make another 100 quotes on another topic, about the human body. And voila, after 10 minutes I had 200 interesting facts onto different topics. Then just copy and paste it into Excel. Step 2. Creating a video. Now I will teach you how to create a lot of beautiful shorts in a matter of minutes. Go to the Canva, click on the video section and then mobile videos. On the left side there is a window with a selection of ready-made templates. I choose love because it is my topic. Select the most suitable and proceed to edit it. Below is a timeline for setting the duration of the video. I will set it for 10 seconds. Insert a theme from your Excel file. Change the font size, color, location, and so on. Add the text element. Insert first part of fact from Excel. After you adjust the text style, duplicate the main text, since quotes will consist of 2 parts. And then we separate our parts of the quotes by time so that they are not displayed simultaneously. To do this, alternately right-click on the first part of the quote and select Show Duration. A purple slider appears to adjust the duration of the text. The first part will be displayed for 7 seconds and the second part for 3 seconds. Now, in a few clicks, we will turn our template into 25 ready-made short films. Go to the Application tab and find the Mass Creation item. Click on the Enter Data Manually button. Copy and paste the first 25 quotes from the Excel along with the titles of the columns. Now we need to match them with the text on the video. For this we right-click on the text of our theme. Click on Connect Data and select the appropriate field. In this case, this is the theme. Do the same procedure for the first and second parts of the quote. After that, you will see 3 purple check marks in the left window. This means that all the items are selected and ready to go. Click Continue and generate 25 pages. After a few seconds, we get 25 unique videos with our facts. To change the background, just click on the Elements tab. Click on the search bar and then on the video section. Here you can choose a suitable background. Then click on the 3 dots and click Replace Background. We don't need each video to have a unique background. It will be enough to change it with each next generation 25. Go back to the generation page, change the background, add the following 25 quotes to table, and we get next 25 videos with a new background. When the videos are ready, click on Share button. Download pages as a separate files and download the result. Repeat this procedure with the rest of the quotes, and after spending only 30 minutes you will get 200 amazing shorts for YouTube. Now you know how to create 200 shorts in just 20 minutes.
Stay on the channel and find even more interesting and useful videos.